Hello, Scarborough neighbors. Did you just drop your phone in water? Don't panic, but you must act fast. Water damage is a race against corrosion, and the longer you wait, the higher the risk of a total short circuit. At TNS Tech Expert, our technicians specialize in professional ultrasonic cleaning and board-level repair to bring your device back to life. Follow these 3 steps. First, turn it off immediately. Second, remove the case and SIM tray. Third, bring it to us as soon as possible. We offer diagnostics starting at $0. Find us at 3252 Lawrence Avenue East, Unit 1, right here in Scarborough, or call us now at 416-579-0404. TNS Tech Expert. We save your tech.